What does a burrito, pizza, burger, and other junk food and drinks have in common? They are delicious and are a major cause of heartburn. Hey there, viewers! Welcome back to Bestie. Do you know that over 60 million Americans suffer from heartburn every month, and around 15 million experience it on a daily basis? The feeling of your last meal climbing up your throat, followed with that uncomfortable, even painful burning sensation in your chest, is a sign that you may have some acidity problems. This is triggered especially when you eat food that is fried, spicy, fatty, or acidic in nature. If not taken care of in time, it can develop into a more complex version of this problem. We've got you covered! Here are some effective remedies for heartburn that can be found in your kitchen. Apple cider vinegar? Baking soda? Bananas? Let's check out some simple solutions for this annoying problem. Number 1. Aloe juice. Aloe vera has a bunch of naturally healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, it has been used to treat sunburn, lower cholesterol, and remove toxins. Sure, it's a great detox option, but what about treating heartburn and acid reflux? It is primarily used for the treatment of decreased stomach acidity, or inflammatory bowel disease. The best way of making the juice is by simply plucking out a leaf of aloe vera plant, cutting out its flesh, and incorporating it into the juice of your choice, or even with water. A simple and effective solution. What are some other ways you use aloe vera? Tell us in the comments below. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar and warm water. Apple cider vinegar to alleviate heartburn may sound strange at first. Reason being, vinegar is an acidic liquid. So what makes it different? It has numerous health benefits, ranging from improving digestion to weight loss. So when it comes to curing heartburn, it is a dark horse. Drinking it in a warm mug of water whenever you feel the slightest symptoms of heartburn will work like a charm. ACV is a moderate acid that helps in bringing down the acidic level of your stomach. This means that your stomach will no longer have to produce acid. In this manner, you're stopping the production of stomach acid. Number 3. Eat a banana. When it comes to healthy eating, bananas just have to be included. However, it's more than just a rich source of fiber, potassium, or a post-workout fruit. Being non-citrus in nature, it helps in protecting against diabetes, strengthens immunity, and also aids in weight loss. Adding to the list of benefits, it cures heartburn. It helps by coating an irritated food pipe lining and thereby helping in combating discomfort. Drink up as a smoothie or eat it whole. A banana can be your unexpected best friend in the case of reflux. Number 4. Chew on sugar-free gum. Chewing gum is cool again! Not only does it reduce your face fat, it also helps in settling down your heartburn. How does that happen? Chewing on it for half an hour after every meal reduces acid reflux. Continuously chewing gum produces saliva, which dilutes the acid in your stomach. Doing this will provide some much-needed relief from heartburn issues. Opting for sugar-free gums that taste like ginger root or mint can further play a major role in soothing the heartburn. Although lesser known, gum is one of the cheapest and most effective ways of reducing the feeling of discomfort in your stomach. Number 5. Baking soda water. Baking soda is a popular ingredient in baking. Its powder has been used for medicinal purposes like curing a urinary tract infection. Due to its alkaline nature, which means non-acidic, it's a great way to cure stomach problems like indigestion and acid reflux. All you have to do is take a tiny pinch of it and dissolve it in half a cup of water. It will provide temporary but quick relief. Although effective, this treatment is not recommended for pregnant women. Number 6. Lifestyle changes. There are numerous foods and beverages that ease the unpleasantness of heartburn, but for long-term results, you need to take this problem seriously. Lifestyle changes like quitting smoking, having your meals on time, and indulging in regular exercise will have long-term effects in keeping your heartburn at bay. You should also avoid eating trigger foods that promote this problem. Regular exercise would be beneficial not only for heartburn-related problems, but also for strengthening your immune system. It goes without saying that you should steer clear of alcohol and tobacco. Number 7. Load up on probiotic drinks. Probiotics are always good news. These include everything from fermented drinks to yogurt and milk-based products. They're loaded with good bacteria that promote gut health. They're a good option not only for dealing with heartburn, but bloating and diarrhea too. Although, be cautious of the probiotic drink you're buying. The best way to ensure you have a safe and effective probiotic product is to make it at home. When buying a probiotic beverage, remember to get the one with the most amount of CFCs, or colony-forming cells. Number 8. Drink herbal tea. Herbs and natural remedies have been used for centuries for their healing abilities. It's also a remedy for heartburn. Swap your regular cup of caffeine with herbal drinks like chamomile tea, ginger root tea, or licorice, which have a soothing effect on the stomach. Licorice works by increasing the mucus coating in the food pipe, helping it resist the irritating effects of stomach acid. Some other effective natural solutions also include catnip, fennel, marshmallow root, and papaya tea. Herbal tea is also an amazing detoxifying agent, which keeps you feeling healthy and refreshed. Are you looking for a healthy alternative to your caffeine fix? Here are some teas that you can drink every day without feeling guilty. They also have anti-aging compounds. Now back to some home remedies to get rid of heartburn. Number 9. Eat a bit of jaggery. Jaggery is a sweet, lesser-known but effective solution. Eating a bit of it like candy until it dissolves is said to immediately get rid of acidity. It's made out of palm sugar and is more nutritious than regular refined sugar that we use every day. The reason it's good for heartburn is due to the high potassium and low sodium content. This helps in maintaining a perfect balance in sense of taste and electrolytes. It's also considered to be a rich detoxifying agent that helps in cleansing your stomach and treat bile disorders. Other than that, jaggery is a great way of keeping your lungs healthy. You can use a chunk of it as a substitute for sugar as well. Number 10. Drink ginger tea. Ginger is celebrated all over the world for its variety of benefits, which ranges from curing baldness to digestive issues. This simple tea is made by peeling and crushing a root of ginger, which is then boiled. Once boiled properly, remove and allow the tea to steep for 20 minutes before drinking it warm. Although it's not a permanent solution, making this tea twice a day will ensure reduced symptoms of heartburn. Steer clear of ginger ale and you're good to go. When you need a doctor. Have you tried every conventional and non-conventional remedy, but the awful symptoms just won't go away? Here are some things to consider before visiting a doctor. Keep in mind that some of the symptoms of chronic heartburn may feel like a heart attack. Number 1. The frequency of your heartburn symptoms have gotten more frequent and severe. Number 2. You have difficulty swallowing solid food. Number 3. Your heartburn is so severe that it's triggering a feeling of nausea and vomiting. Make a doctor's appointment immediately if you've noticed blood or black mineral in your vomit. Number 4. Your heartburn symptoms are accompanied by unexpected, drastic weight loss. Number 5. You feel like you constantly have a lump in your neck, accompanied with a sensation of choking and coughing. Number 6. Over-the-counter drugs don't work. Number 7. Your prescription medicines also don't work. Number 8. You have consistent and chronic hoarseness and wheezing. Number 9. Your asthma has increased in the past couple of weeks. Number 10. It is becoming increasingly difficult for you to carry on with your everyday activities due to the constant discomfort in your abdomen. Number 11. You have random chest pains, pain in arms, legs, jaw, and neck. Number 12. You're experiencing weakness, shortness of breath, and have an irregular pulse. Number 13. The symptoms consistently wake you up at night or you develop difficulty swallowing. Anyone with reflux-like symptoms that lasts for years is at risk for esophageal cancer and should also see a physician. What are the home remedies you rely on in the case of heartburn? Share your suggestions in the comment section. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.